Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this slushy machine. This one here is a slushy machine with 5 preset plus custom options. This is easy dispensing level for frozen margaritas, frappes, slushies, and drinks. Alright, so right here we have the Slushie-Ease Max 64-ounce slushie maker. This one here, you can make slushies in just a few minutes. It slushes out any beverage that you can think of. It does not need any ice, so anything that you want to make a beverage out, whether it's piña colada or you want to do some Hawaiian punch, which is exactly what I do. They have ready, add sugar, defrost, clean, slushy, juice, shake, frappe, cocktail, and favorite. And then you've got your thickness. And then you got the play button. That play button is to start it. If you want to stop it, you click on the stop button. This is an easy pour spout. Effortlessly, it can feed up to 7 to 10 people. So this one here has as little as 20 minutes to start the machine. So it takes, depending on how thickness you want it, it starts as little as 20 minutes. This contains sugar to freeze properly, and freezing times may be based on the temperatures of the drink. I like the fact that it does have a touch controls, so you can choose from different presets to let you adjust the thicknesses to your ideal consistency. This machine has optimal for soft drinks, so if you like Coke or Diet Coke, any of that, you can just pour it in here and it will make you your slushie. First off, you do get the instructions manual. You'll see the power cord right here up at the top, and then you've got your drip tray down here. It's a really nice deep sized drip tray, so you don't have to worry about making any messes on your countertops. So here is the instructions manual, basically telling you, you just pour in your drink. Once you pour in your drink, you let it set for 20 minutes depending on the thickness of the drink that you'd like. So here is a 3-prong power cord. And then this is a dip tray. You can see that it is really thick in there, so you don't have to worry about it spilling over. So right here is the slushy machine. Right here there is a slide door right here. This is where you'll add your liquid, and this is the part that it freezes. So this is super easy to clean and take apart. So this is what it looks like on this side view, and this is where you'll dispense the slushy. You'll pull this down here and it should dispense in the bottom here. So with a dispenser right here at the bottom, and then on this side you can see from this side, and at the top, that's again where you'll pour your liquid, and it says add liquid here. You just push that down, you add your liquid. They do have a minimum and they do have a maximum, so they want you to go in between those so it doesn't overflow. This is the back side. You can see it looks pretty much like a mini refrigerator. So what we're going to do is take it out of the box, and we were going to set this up and then get our drink. So right here we have it set up, turned on. You can see it has a thickness, play, and a stop button, and it has your different consistencies if you like to make. So right now we're just putting in some blue Hawaiian punch so we can make some blue frosty. My son just loves the blue frosties. We always get it at Circle K, but now that we have the slushy machine, we don't have to worry about buying that. So once you turn it on, it will basically turn like this for 20 minutes. So the first batch that we did, we had the consistency not that thick, so it was kind of runny. And then after the video, we went back in and did a little bit more. So this one here is about a little over medium. So it wasn't that thick, but if you want to do a little thicker, you can change the consistency to more thickness. But this one actually came out really nice. So I'm just gonna let it finish, and then we will come back and wait for it to start pouring out in our cup. So this is the medium consistency. If you want it a bit thicker, I would recommend moving the thickness up to a little bit higher, but not too high, because then it'll make it too thick. If you're looking for a nice slushy machine to get all your slushies out of any drink you have, I would highly recommend checking this one out.